Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to delete a site in Google Sites. First, visit sites.google.com. Then you will see the present websites. Deleting a website in Google Site is easy. Just click on these three dots below or next to the website you want to delete and select Remove. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my Google Sites online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things including how to get started with Google Sites, building content, for example, how to write articles and upload videos or photos, also enhancing your Google site, like how to add an image carousel, a video background, a WhatsApp link, Facebook pixel, also publishing and managing, customizing and advanced features like how to add sitemap to Google Sites, additional features like how to rotate images on Google Sites, how to resize images, print Google Sites. Also, another category of monetizing your Google Sites, for example, how to promote affiliate links on Google Sites. Special use cases for Google Sites, like how to use Google Sites to make a portfolio, a blog, a gaming website, how to create a login page, and finally managing your Google site, like how to index your Google site and also how to export it. If you want to get access to all of this today for free and also my other free online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. As you can see, your website will be moved to Drive Trash and deleted forever after 30 days. Confirm your delete action by clicking on Move to Trash. And just like that, your site is deleted. And this is how to delete a website in Google Sites. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.